Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today's video is sponsored by Redtiger. We have their new F4 dash cam that they kindly sent over. We're gonna unbox this, check this out, and install it onto our new Honda Civic. Alright guys, I'm going to unbox this. I would be outside, but it is really hot today. It's probably like low hundreds. Let's see what's in this box. This must be the dash cam. I love how compact it is. Wow, this is great. So with the Honda Civic, I know it has an alarm system, but I do get nervous about things happening to it when we park it somewhere else, or just anything, right? Especially when we modify our cars. We need a dash cam, guys. And I know I've advertised so many dash cams, but this dash cam is great and I cannot wait to install it. This is a brand new dash cam that they just finished up, and they were kind enough to send it over to me. Apparently there's a lot of cool features on this. We have cables to plug it into the cigarette lighter port. We got some extra 3M plastic removal tool. I love these. Can't get enough. So yes, I'll add more to my collection. Wow, very straightforward. Let's see if we can get this. No way. This is great. I love when dash cams give you memory cards. I know that you can just go buy your own. I will probably upgrade this one to a 64 gigabyte or something, but just the fact that they give you one so you can just run the product as is, fresh out the box, is amazing, because I've gotten dash cams before where they don't do that. So let's go, let's get this. I also believe they sent me a hardwire kit, so I might need to look into that. Yes sir, I was right. They're kind enough to send over a hardwire kit. Might need to hardwire this bad boy up. This is so cool. The hardwire kit comes with everything that I need, including fuses. I have fuses, but if you're someone that doesn't have a whole bunch of extra fuses on tap, then you need this kit. This kit comes with fuses. I've had other kits that did not come with fuses, so dude, they really thought of everything. I'm so stoked. I just gotta figure this out. I think for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to run the cigarette port just to get this powered up, running, and show you guys all the cool features. I'll probably hardwire off camera on my own time so that the Civic can have the dash cam running at all times, even when it's parked. But check this out. So swipe down to go to quick settings, swipe right, swipe left to access camera, and swipe up to go to video playback. That is sick. Design is very simple. We got the power button, we got the camera here. It's adjustable so you can have it on the windshield, which is what I plan on doing. We got some buttons down here. I gotta see what these buttons end up doing. I think it plugs in right there. Yep. When installing your dash cam, don't forget to put on this clear film that they gave you. It's like some static film, so you don't leave the residue on your windshield when you need to take off the dash cam for whatever reason, right? I forgot to use this for one of the dash cams I installed, and it was a nightmare to get all of the gunk off when I tried to take off the dash cam, so this is a must. So I was messing with this dash cam, and it has voice control. That is insane. Look at these commands that I can do without having to click on anything. Take picture. Oh, that is cool. I think I found the perfect sweet spot for the camera. I was thinking about having it behind the rear view mirror, but it's gonna block it, so I think I'm gonna place it here, tuck everything around, go down here, and go into the cigarette lighter port for now because it's down back here. From there, I'll be able to run it with no issues, and when I'm ready to hardwire, I'll go ahead and hardwire, and I'm assuming all the stuff would be over here that I would have to tap into, but we'll be able to get this up and running. Alright guys, everything is buttoned up and ready to go. Threw on this new Broadway mirror for her. Got everything tucked, can't see it, and it literally goes right here. Yeah, I might need to pick this back up and drive this around, enjoy all the features, the recording, and get back to you guys because it is hot right now. I don't want to be out here any longer, so I'll test this out, get some footage, and show you guys how great this F4 dash cam really is. Alright guys, don't hate me. I ultimately decided on moving the camera over to this side because the new Broadway mirror gets in the way. This is a solid view of everything. It does not look that bad. And if you guys love my hero. We got a little Deku right here. All in all, I think that looks great. All right, guys, just brought the car in. Look at how good this looks. Wow, car is looking so mean. Love it. I was able to get the rear and the front mud guards on with the diffuser and the side skirt, so I'm really stoked on that. All right, I got everything wired up, tucked away, looking great. One of my favorite features on the camera is that it swivels 270 degrees. That is crazy. This camera has so many different options. I love that it's touchscreen. We can swipe up for playback. Super sick. Look at that. There's audio as well. Here's the video of us driving. So playback on the camera itself isn't too bad, but it's definitely a lot better to upload these to your computer to be able to view them in high quality. So this camera has 4K dash cam recording, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, as well as app control. It has a G sensor and loop recording, as well as touchscreen and voice control. So that is actually really sick. This camera is so awesome. Before I finish off this video, I just wanted to give a huge thank you to Redtiger DashCam for always hooking it up, sending over their latest and greatest for me to try out, and super thankful they were able to send my fiance one for her car. Dude, this is so sick. I'm gonna show you guys all of the clips right now that we've gotten from driving with this dash cam on over the last week. I swear we've hit every red light. Alright, as you guys can see here, the visibility is pretty good at night. I went for a late night boba run, and I know it looks a little foggy or blurry, but that's because I forgot to clean the windshield before I went out. I think it looks good because this dash cam does not really advertise nighttime filming like this, and I think the quality is pretty damn good. You know, us car guys always gotta go out for that late night boba run, grab a little bit of tea, kick it by your car, even if it's just by yourself. When we get into the parking spot, you know we gotta back up. I don't know who those people are, but I got them on camera. Now here you could see during the day, spot on, it looks really good, and everything is pretty crystal clear. Making a U-turn right here, and when I make this U-turn, you'll be able to see the quality in the shade as well without direct sunlight, and I think it looks great. I actually forgot how long this took, so I decided to leave footage here so you guys can see all the cars passing by, just to see the quality of different cars and how they look. I think this 4K quality is so good. You can see me getting closer to this car here. License plate is clear as day. When you also pause the clip itself while you're moving, you can still read license plates, so that's really good. You already know having a dash cam like this up front is really good for car accidents, because if someone backs into you, you can see it crystal clear. And you see me going to the tire shop real quick to pick up some tires for my car, and you'll see why. See what I mean? I'm driving, and I think the quality is really good. I just need to clean this damn windshield, but man, Redtiger has really outdone themselves. Damn, we got this guy on the right coming in hot. I really thought that he was gonna straight up cut me off. I mean, they still cut me off, but like, look at the car in front of him. There's always a parked car on this right side of the street, and imagine if I would have caught him running into that car. See, that's why it's always good to have a dash cam, so you have security and insurance, and you know that you have proof in case anything happens. 10 out of 10 would recommend this dash cam. If you guys are interested, link is in the description below. This is their very new F4 4K dash cam with voice control, and I think you guys will love it. And here I am walking up to the front, wave at the camera, everything's good, hit him with a dab, and we out. Oh, and also my car is on jacks because this tire debeaded, and thankfully I was able to catch this one before it debeaded. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap out both rears. The wheels are right here. Kind of sucks, but it happens. Yeah, so in the back of these tires, there's dry rotting. I mean, I should have known. I never run this brand, but a while back I needed tires and I couldn't find any brand in my size. So I went ahead and got these. Not the greatest. We're gonna upgrade them and hopefully the new ones come in soon and they'll run a lot better. So yeah, I have 2 cars and they're both down. That kind of sucks. DS is down because it won't start. I have a strong feeling it could be fuel pump or fuel pressure regulator valve. One of those two, because the car does crank, it just doesn't start unless I put my foot on the gas, which is not normal because this car normally just starts up like that. I think it's because we switched out the fuel tank 3 times. So my fuel tank leaked again and I had to get another one, and it is what it is, man. Aftermarket, it just kind of sucks, but what can I do? I think those are gonna be the issues to get it up and running again, and I might have to change out the thermostat because the car is overheating just a little bit.
Thank you, Redtiger, for the dash cam. I love it. Sick.
And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick little video. Huge thank you once again to Redtiger for sending this over to us. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will catch you in the next video. Don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.